Yes, yes, yes. Bam, there it is. I got the full Rhinoshield lineup for the iPhone XR. And I'm telling you, I got some of the dopest cases for your iPhone XR from Rhinoshield, especially the Mod NX. The Mod NX is the star of the show, but I'm gonna show you the SolidSuit as well, because those also have some great things to them. And as well, they sent me the Impactshields. If you don't know about the Impactshields, you put these on the front and back of your phones to protect them, especially with these all glass builds. This is all glass, baby. Impactshields, like I say all the time, I've seen people take hammers to their phone with the Impactshield. I'm not gonna do that. I'll leave that up to those lunatics, but you can search and do your research and find out about that. So, okay, first thing first, we're gonna run through the SolidSuit lineup up front. I got 3 SolidSuit cases ready to go. Boom. I'm gonna just open up all 3 really quick, really fast, run through them, and then I'm gonna jump into the Mod NX, because those are the cases I'm super hype about. And if you haven't seen, look at this right here. Woo-hoo, colored buttons, custom colored buttons with custom colored iPhones. Oh, it's about to get super lit. So protect it, protect the back, protect the front with these bad boys. Now, first off right here, we got this aluminum style, it's like a brushed aluminum style. Snap your iPhone in there. You're gonna obviously black it out outside of the camera area right here. You'll still be able to flex what color XR you got, but bam, there you go. Full on protection. Now this is like military drop from, what is it, 11 foot impact and drop protection. These are A1 and they're very light. Buttons work as needed, and I believe the buttons can be customly adjusted on the SolidSuit cases as well. So, oh yes, you can. So you can have the all black, and you can grab some of these colorful buttons and switch it up and add some flavor and some swag that way, if that's your thing. Now next up, I got this. This is the leather back one. You got that leather back feel to your SolidSuit case. I like these. These are dope. Nice texture to it. Got that basketball grip. That's the grip I'm talking about. It feels good. Super light, super protective. A1. These are the cases right here, I'm telling you. Next SolidSuit up is the OG, the classic one. This is the one I love. This is the true original super grip basketball, hooping, palming the ball, taking it to the lane with the scoop and the swoop. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Oh, let's get that on there. Booyah, easy to put on. All buttons are responsive. And if you're worried about wireless charging, don't even worry. You know what I'm saying? Let me throw this right here. You know, you heard it. Bow. Wireless charging on all of these cases. A1, good to go. So that was the SolidSuit lineup. There's a couple more. There's like a carbon fiber back end and some other ones up there. Check those out. And just know you can change the button colors on these as well. So now let's get into the Mod NX cases. Now these are my favorite. Oh man, I got the light, flashlight on. Sound like I took a photo. You know, the Mod NX lineup for the iPhone XR. Let's get this. Boom. I got a blue, a red, and a black one, but the color doesn't stop there. I can switch the rims between these, as well as I got every color button right here. The color combination is limitless. Let's get into it. Now these Mod NX cases are a crash bumper, or they can be converted into a full-on case, because they have the crash bumper, which is right there, and then you have this clear backing. So you got 2 ways to rock this. You can use it as a crash bumper. On the front and back, you're definitely gonna wanna get impact shields to protect the front and back against any impact, because not all surfaces are flat. Some are uneven. You might hit a rock. That rock is gonna hit it before that crash bumper protects it. So make sure you throw some impact shields on the front and back. I will be applying these on the front and back of mine. And if you need any instructions on how to do that, on my iPhone XS Max video, I did the full-on installation. I'm not gonna do that now. You got the little blue rim thing right here. Now these are interchangeable as well. So on this rim part, I could throw another color. Like I can pull the red one off or the black one off, or I think you can pick. Also, back plates are customizable too. They can get a print on this here back plate, so you can get a back plate, a custom one, if you want for the back right there. So say if you don't want the impact shield on the back, or if you don't want to do the full naked, you got a full backing case, which basically makes it like a clear see-through SolidSuit case with swag, because you get to pop in the colors as well with a little bit more customability. Let's put it that way. These are the colors that I picked for the Mod NX case right here. Crash bumpers and all. And look, changing the buttons is as simple as, come on, focus. Use it now, boom, that one's out. Take out the power button, boom. And then look at this right here. Look at all these buttons. Let me see, can I open this without scissors? Ooh, I got every color. Look at that, look at that. It's raining buttons. Say I don't want this red rim on here. I could put a black rim or a blue one. You know, I could go red and blue. Oh, let's get all patriotic real quick. Hold on 1 second. Got red, blue, and we can do clear. So you get your red, blue, and white. You wanna be patriotic for the 4th. Bam, there you go, clear buttons. Red, boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's play with the black one a little bit. I got every color of the rainbow right here. Man, I could do red. I could do, so like, let's say if I want the black and red little get down, or if I just want my power button red. Let's just say that, power button red. And let's just say I'm into the orange vibe on the other side. If I just want these 2 buttons to be orange, like F it. Like, you know what I mean? Bam. Oh yeah, here's a different look. Got the black with the black and red. And like really with this too, like the black and red, say if I want to take the black and red to that level, I can pop out that. Put in this red one right here. Put that in place. Boom, boom. Boom. Let's put my phone in place. Oh man, I'm getting a phone call. Booyah, you can have that red phone with that red rim with the black crash with the red buttons. If you want to get down with that, take the black and red to that level. You know what I'm saying? The combinations are almost endless. You know what? Hold on, player. Yeah. So your options and your combinations are super out there. Like the Mod NX case is probably the funnest protective case in a long time. Most protective cases, they only look like protective cases. They don't have any swag, any customization. Literally with this Mod NX, you are able to add whatever swag and flavor you want to add. Say if you're a little more clumsy and you want that little extra back protection, easy. It's right here, you know what I'm saying? Which is dope because you're still able to floss and flex your iPhone XR color. Bam, you know what I'm saying? You still get let everybody know you got that product red on deck. Boom, look at that. Look at that. So the black Mod NX case is a good alternative for those of you who say the SolidSuit covers up too much of the phone for you. Well, here you go. You got your clear SolidSuit right here with the Mod NX. Also, you get to change those side button colors. So, you know, as you can see, I got the black and red popping off, or you can have the black and orange. Ooh, get it in for the Halloween. You know what I mean? Halloween right around the corner. I love this because you're able to express yourself at any given day. I highly recommend if you go with this case that you go ahead and you just buy the full-on buttons. If you're those type of people who like to express yourself with different colors, if you want to always change up your case, if things get boring for you, at least you know you got a lot of options with a case like the Mod NX from Rhinoshield. These are A1 and they're super protective. Like this is A1 11-foot drop protection. Now, be smart, get that front impact shield, and if you're not using the back of the Mod NX case, get the rear impact shield and you're good to go. So you just have your bumper, you have your naked feel, you just rubbing on glass all day, doing your thing, swagging it out. Everyone knows what's popping. You know what I mean? We don't cover up Apple logos. So that right there, in a nutshell, is the Rhinoshield lineup. I showed you all 3 SolidSuits that I have, and there's more other SolidSuits. So you know what I mean? Got that brush aluminum, I got that leather feel, and then I got the all-out Spalding grip one. And then from Mod NX, as you can see, this is only 3 bumper selections. There's other colors, as well as I got every color button right here. So I got every swag and mix match which way I want to go with the Mod NX case. So swag on deck, Rhinoshield on deck. Huge shout out to Rhinoshield for sending me these and allowing me to showcase to you what kind of swag they got for you. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech. anything creative. Woo. Links in the description below. Go, 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 go.